Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix SkyGo app not working. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you are an iOS user, firstly try restarting your device as this can free up memory. If the above hasn't helped, delete the SkyGo app, then go to the App Store or your purchase list and re-download it. Once done, launch the SkyGo app again. This clean install should get you back up and running. But if you are an Android user, you can usually clear an app's cache and data through your phone's settings app. Settings can vary by phone. For more info, get help from your device manufacturer. Once you've cleared the app's cache data, launch SkyGo again. If the above hasn't helped, try uninstalling and reinstalling the SkyGo app. If you continue to have problems, please send an email with specifics about what's going on as well as your device details brand model to customer support, and the team will assist you in getting back on track. And that's how you can fix SkyGo app not working. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.